Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove your EBT card from the DoorDash app. First, unlock your phone and open the DoorDash app. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where your EBT card is saved. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen. On the bottom right corner, you will see the account icon. Tap on it to open your account page. After that, scroll down slowly until you find the section called Account Settings. Tap on Account Settings to continue. This will take you to a new screen with more options related to your account. Now, find and tap on the option labeled Payment. This is where all your saved payment methods are stored, including cards and any benefit programs linked to your account. On the payment screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Look for a section called Program Cards or Benefits. In this section, you will see your EBT card listed if it has been added before. Locate your EBT card in the list. Next to it, you should see a small trash can icon. Tap on that icon to begin removing the card. If you do not see the icon, you can swipe the card entry to the left, and the delete option will appear. Once you tap delete, the app may ask you to confirm your action. Confirm the deletion to complete the process. Thanks for watching.